Just a quick reminder to download your free wallpapers in the first link in the description. We have already seen some leaked images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, in those images, the cover screen bezels appeared quite similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to a CAD render of the device obtained by Sam Mobile from an American case maker called Timborn, it appears that the cover screen bezels will be more uniform this year. Ice Universe further supports this information on Twitter, who posted a video showcasing tempered glass protectors for the cover screen from an unnamed accessory manufacturer. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a new cover screen display with sharper rounded corners all around. Unlike the current generation, the outer edge of the bezel on the left won't have sharp corners and will be more similar to a standard smartphone. The protector's upper and lower outlines will be thinner on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Moreover, the image includes a helpful measurement revealing that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 cover screen will be 2.8mm wider than its predecessor. And if you want to know more about the AI features that are coming to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.